Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this and asked what would be the best way to trace it. I actually think it'd be better to draw it. I've redrawn it. This one with thick lines, this one more so like this. And then I added some color to it. So we're just going to draw one. Take an ellipse, doesn't really matter what size, hold down the control button and hit P. Then draw an oval and hit P. And you can play around with that size and the shape and the thickness. And then let's Control D and rotate it 60 degrees. And then Control D. Now you see that I started at the top of the page with the going this way, and the real model is like that. You could actually grab the whole thing and rotate it half that distance at 30 degrees. And now you've got like that. We're going to grab just the ellipses and make it like that. Now I'm going to go to Object. You don't have to do this, but Object Order, turn the object into turn the outline into an object, and then left click, right click. And then at this time you can weld it. And then that way it'll all be solid. Let's put that little circle in there. This is the advantage of working on the center of the page. Now what you can do is take your Smart Fill tool, because you've got it colored in with white for it to show up against the background. And then, so we've made the two items white. We're going to grab our ellipse now and make it black. And there you have it. Now, the only thing I did different to make the one with color is I turned these to blue, both of them. I'm going to shift select, you know what, it'd be easier to select the inside, shift select the outside, and then Control G to group it together. For the interactive fill tool to work on everything, it needs to be a group. Interactive fill tool, and just kind of make sure you're on your item. And see, there you go. You've got a little bit of contrast of color, and you could do a lot. You could put a blue there and put a white in the middle. Whoop, I hit the circle and not the line. You can always hit the line and then move it down. And then you could do anything you wanted to with it from there. You could actually turn it into and for some reason I have two ellipticals. Well, that put it back to, anyway, that's good enough. They really, I think, just want it in white. And if you look, let's take away the outline on that red ball or that red line. If you look, mine's really close to that, if not dead on. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.